Well, Tesla's down nearly 8% on the start of the CFDs trading on Monday morning, and it's obviously coming off the back of slumping sales and the ongoing feud with Donald Trump, and being threatened that he's going to lose all his government subsidies and be deported. But also off the back of that, the massive insurgence of the likes of BYD and Moda and JQ, I think, are the Chinese sister and brother companies of the Chinese company Chery, who are massively smashing the UK market on the EV sector, and the well priced, the cheap and the high quality, they're quite specced out, and obviously they are taking a hit on buying a market share of the UK EV market. But going back to the US, so this week we've also got the unpausing of tariffs that Trump brought in on the 9th of July. So is he going to unpause them and reinstate the tariffs, or is he going to give them another month or 3 month grace period? We're yet to see that this week. He's also been applying further pressure on Jerome Powell to cut interest rates, but the next interest rate Fed meeting isn't until August the 7th. And looking at the state of the economy, a lot of people have been saying that actually the data is showing that the Fed should be cutting rates. And what we will see off the back of rates being cut is probably higher highs in the stock market. So although the likes of Tesla's down 7%, and it looks like Google, Amazon and all of the others kind of big magnificent sevens will look like 0.5% to 1% drop over the weekend, we are possibly looking at high highs if interest rates get cut and more money gets sort of pumped into the system. Also starts earning week next week or the week after, so it'll be interesting to see what some companies have done, and it's probably not looking like good news for Tesla. I think their last earnings, they were double digit down in sales, and obviously it's Elon's political stance. And what I kind of think of, has the very public fallout with Donald Trump been orchestrated media stunt to distance himself from Trump, the administration, and basically the right wing? Because he might have thought that the left-leaning, politically orientated buyers were probably his target market audience. He might be trying to distance himself a little bit from the Trump administration and trying to win his basically his buyers back over. I don't really know, but it's going to be interesting to see what Tesla's earnings are. And to be honest, I thought it was quite a good buy last week, and being down, another $20-30 this week, below 300, $292 I think it was this morning on the CFDs. It's looking like a great buy, absolutely great buy, because you know the company's only going to improve, you know they're only going to innovate, you know robo-taxi is right around the corner, the Tesla robots are just right around the corner, Neuralink's doing amazing things as well. And I always felt like it's been very overvalued and very cult kind of stock purchase, but I think it's probably a good buy at the moment.